What's going on, guys? We're back with another video. Today I'm gonna just take you on a little cruise. It's currently 9:40. I got a haircut appointment right now at 10. I'm gonna go pick up my boy Juan, but I had to stop and pump gas porque la mamalona ya no tenía. And this is why I told you I wanted to do my bachelor's, guys. Rechina más que un carretón allá en Mexico. But that's what we got going on for today. I'm gonna go get a haircut. We're gonna go back to the bike shop. I don't know if y'all remember or not that I had told y'all that I was gonna be building a bike. Yesterday we did some stuff to it, to the frame, but I didn't have the camera, so I forgot to record. I was gonna record it with my phone, but when we got there we just started putting stuff together. I forgot, but I will show y'all what we did yesterday once we get back. Like I said, we're gonna go get some more parts that we need. We're missing the brake line, the C clamp, little stuff that we're missing. The bike, we can ride it already, but we don't have a seat, so we don't want to ride it like that. We don't got brakes, so we're gonna do that. It might be a short little video, but I figured, hey, let me take them on a little daily adventure with me. So yeah, let me just finish pumping gas real quick, and we're gonna head on and pick up my boy Juan.
Where we going?
Huh?
Where we going?
To get a haircut, fool.
Oh, you never said you said yeah.
Yes, I did.
No.
I said 10 and you said yeah.
He goes, I'm gonna tell him.
No, I didn't, bro.
Yeah.
Bato.
I was asleep, bro.
You were asleep?
Hell yeah.
For real?
I think I'm not gonna go get a haircut.
Bro, we're late, look. 10? Yeah, okay, I'll tell him. I'm going to vlog tomorrow. Fuck it. Alright.
Well, see, he didn't say, he said, alright, we're going at 10. Oh, you messed me, I had just woke up.
No, hombre, vato. Como ven, ya vine. What the fuck? Came to pick up my boy Juan. Now we finna go to the barber's house, and then we're going to the bike shop. You know what? Nos hubiéramos traído el stem.
Yeah, and the bike.
Huh?
And the bike.
And the bike. I will come back. What you gonna go buy?
Fix my bike. I didn't even take my morning shit.
Huh?
I didn't take my morning shit. I didn't know I was gonna get a haircut.
What? Usually I just tell you the time and you'd be like, yeah, fuck it. I'll be like, alright.
I want to sleep late too. I want to sleep around 5 o'clock.
Bro, I was bored last night, bro. I couldn't go to sleep. I ended up making some shorts.
Shorts?
Yeah.
Oh. Cut the pants?
I had some white pants that didn't fit me no more. Like, well, they fit me, but they fit me like de lo largo. They fitted me kind of short already. And I was like, man, I like, fuck it, I'm gonna cut them. I didn't have scissors.
What can you do?
I remember that knife you let me have when we were working at Graham? That black one? Well, you let me have a knife when we were at Graham. I know, I didn't want to come out to the truck, so I just used that knife and I cut him. I was like, fuck you.
How did the line come out?
Huh? God damn. This motherfucker behind me right in my ass is like, you don't got no motherfucking sense. But yeah, it came out. Yeah, hey, like his car looks like this, man. Yeah. It came out, and then like to try to fade off the bottom, donde le corté with the knife. I got to ironing and starching them, so they look a little bit decent now. So I was gonna wear them, but I was like, nah, it's probably gonna get a little bit cold later.
No, it's supposed to be hotter. That's why I put these on. I was gonna put my jacket on. I said it's supposed to get hotter in the afternoon.
Shit, hopefully. But yeah, we catch up when we get to the barber's house. Se deja el haircut.
What the camera cost you?
Yeah. And
Oh! I bet you Bob.
I forgot to tell Juan that you said yeah. I was just like at 10, and then he was like, okay. I was like, all right.
And nigga, you walking nigga out?
Yeah.
I was still asleep.
I got to his house. He didn't know we were coming to get an haircut or going to the bike shop. We gotta go get some parts to finish the bike. We're building a bike.
Like a bicycle?
Yeah.
Nigga, I'm looking at bikes right now on Amazon, nigga. I ain't even lying. Some chick's like, I want a bike. I'm looking for some little beach cruiser for a woman. I got some little badass beach cruisers.
So I cycle, not I cycle, I didn't cycle. And Galveston.
IE?
No, I didn't cycle.
I didn't cycle.
Galveston, they didn't have them cheap.
Yeah.
So we're back at his house. Got a haircut. We're finna unload, well, unhook this bike right here. We're finna take it with us to the bike shop. And I don't know if y'all remember or not that I told y'all we were building a bike. We started yesterday, like I said. We had just forgot to record, but this is what it's looking like so far. We still need the grips, the brake line, the seat, the disc for the brakes. We got this pole right here, but it didn't fit. It's too thick, so we're gonna go see if we can exchange it. Aquí abajo la Mama Flex. It looks good. Huh?
I'm gonna leave it like that for right now.
Sheesh. Está bien sucia. As y'all can see, we loaded up. Now we finna head to the bike shop. I don't think I'm gonna record while we're in there, cause I don't know if they'll let us or not, but we'll show y'all a bit of when we get there, and we'll show y'all what we got afterwards. I don't know what the hell that was, but as of now, let's head on over there.
These one-legged bitches tripping. Moment. I was the spot now.
As bad as old school van. Poner una cama ahí adentro.
¿Cama para qué?
¿Eh?
¿Cama para qué?
Para dormirte cuando te canses, güey.
Oh, ok.
¿Para qué más? Ni modo que para coger. Hi guys, ya vamos llegando al bike shop. We're probably not gonna record in there, so we're gonna unload the bike. We're gonna take it in there para que le pongan unos Brembo brakes and fuck with the differential gears y a ver qué nos encontramos para la wheelie bike. Well, we need the brake handle, the grips, some other shit. But yeah, we need the brake grip for the handle, the handlebar grips, the brake line, the disc bracket, the seat, and I think that's all we need for the wheelie bike. Para empezar a hacer wheelie.
¿Cómo ve?
So we're gonna run in there real quick, get what we need,
You're coming out of the way. I'm not gonna run.
and we'll be back.
Cámara en acción.
Alright guys, so we just left. They didn't have everything. Well, they did, but we got a lever for the seat, a seat pole. We got a brake grip. We got a seat clamp. We got grips. We got our brake line. But we still don't have no brakes. So we're gonna have to dabarabaru that motherfucker con la pata. So I think I'm gonna have to go to find a Payless to buy some shoes.
Let's go to Walmart and get some steel toes. Para que no te duelen los dedos, güey.
Ah, pero se va a calentar el steel, güey. Me va a quemar los callos. Can't have that happen.
You want chicayos o quieres dedos?
I want both, nigga. I don't want to end up with no toes and no nothing. So for now, I think I'm gonna just use my Vans, or just run into people. till I stop. But we're on the way back home now. So we'll show y'all. Well, like I'm saying, we forgot to record yesterday. He did mention it, but I got distracted on something else, so we ended up just driving straight to his house and not picking up the camera. So when we get there, we'll show y'all again a little bit of the stuff that we already did do, and we'll show y'all what we're gonna do with this. Like, we'll show y'all putting this stuff on. That way I mean, not everybody wants to build a bike, but for the people that eventually want to build one and not go buy one or have a frame laying around, y'all can have somewhat of an idea of what to do. So let's head back to our bike shop and build that wheelie bike. We got his bike in the back. They fixed his brakes, Brembo brakes, drilled and slotted disc.
Jingo.
What else you got?
Might as well tell him I got a 6.2 in it.
I mean, if you consider yourself a 6.2, then he got a 6.2 4L80 transmission. So yeah, we catch up when we get to his house, and we are not getting on 610. We were gonna come earlier, guys, but we ended up taking a road trip to Sepa la Madre Drive. So instead of coming straight here after the haircut, we went allá, fuimos a visitar a la tía Chona to pick up a dog. So now that we have this, let's go and build the bike.
You should go straight.
I'm gonna try to convince him for us to go bike riding today. It might not happen, but if it happens, I'll probably...
I think a babysitter, Wayne. I think a babysitter.
Bro, they some grown-ass 5-year-olds. They can take care of themselves. Nah, I'm playing, guys. It was a yoke. But, anyway, we're gonna head back.
Goes our Burger King. We used to come to when we worked together, fool.
Yeah, for real, when we used to work. Back in the day when we had a job, we used to come right there and eat. Now we just go anywhere. We don't even be knowing what to eat.
We're just slaying dick now.
What?
We slaying dick.
We slang dick?
Yeah, we slaying dick.
Nah, we can't say that.
Yeah, porque me va a pegar la tóxica.
I don't have a tóxica, güey.
My tóxica. Me va a pegar, güey.
Te va a pegar a ti, güey. Yo no. I don't deal with tóxicas no more. Ya tóxicas, ya. Man. Y'all be pulling up to a nigga's house without the nigga wanting y'all there. That's a story for another day.
That's a whole
Yeah,
new. That's a whole new video. That's a whole new video.
Nah, we ain't gonna make a video about that. All I'm gonna say is y'all be careful, cause
Toxicas are real.
2019, 2020, these females were throwing phones in the microwave. But 2021, it's gonna be a new year. 2021, no more toxic.
New year, new home.
Nah, that's new month, new home, bro.
Oh, so it's the same. Oh,
Nah,
for you.
I'm kidding,
For
guys.
you.
So what you? Nah, I don't know. Just live life. Be happy. Enjoy it. Back to the building bike conversation. We're gonna head on to his house and build the bike. And we'll catch up when we get there.
Well, guys, aquí encontramos La Toxica. Yeah, La Toxica. Let me see Papa Willie. Papa Willie.
I don't know you, sir.
Okay. Papa Willie.
Wanna see my Papa Willie?
Papa Willie.
Bam!
Okay.
Con Papa Willy.
No, me caen las llantas.
Alright guys, so we're back at his house. We got the goodies. Alright, so like I was saying yesterday, we did some stuff. We added the wheels, as y'all can see. We put the camel wheels, we put the gold chain, we put the sprocket, the pedals, the front, the handlebars. We also got the shaft gold, this. We got all that put on yesterday, the handlebars. And well, they didn't have the bracket that screws onto there. I don't know if y'all can see it or not. There's a bracket that screws on right there that holds the disc for the brakes. So we're gonna have to order that para poner este so it can brake. So we're not gonna have brakes as of right now, but we still bought the stuff. Like I was saying, we got the seat pole, we got the brake grip, we got the grips, we got the brake line, and we got the seat clamp. And also we will be using this seat since it does have some white on it, so it can kind of match it up, you know, so it can kind of match everything up. And then well, for the gold, we kind of got this to kind of get it going. But let me get the seat clamp on there. Let me get this seat clamp on there, and the seat pole, and I'll pick y'all guys up and show y'all a bit more. Or matter of fact, let me just place y'all right here, and I'm gonna install the seat pole right here and kind of give y'all and show y'all an idea. The other one was too thick, that's why we went to switch it out. It wasn't fitting on the bike. As y'all can see, this one does. So let's go ahead and put this one on here so we can put that on there, so we can at least sit on it if we can't brake. You loosen this bolt up, para que afloje todo. This is the fun part, trying to hold everything together so nothing would move. Now the fun part going to be putting this on. Cause yesterday we were trying to make that other pole fit. Y le abrimos esa chingadera a huevo. So I don't know how that's gonna fit. And I'm not gonna sit here and bore y'all with all this stuff, so let me put all this stuff together. And
So you're gonna put your brake lever on the right side?
so there you go. Yeah. That's what that's looking like. He don't help me put the things on there. I think he wants to go pop some wheelies.
See, this one fits on there better.
Yeah.
We need to put the lever on just for right now, so we get brakes and we run them.
Yeah.
Look.
Oh, more stickers for the bike. I got another one over here too with the brake line. Box. Hey, sin querer queriendo, there's the same brand. Put down right here. Box. Yeah. Box.
Looking more like a bike now.
Right. Ahí la llevamos poquito a poquito. It'll be out there. Like I said on that other video. Y'all comment down below, let us know. Should I make another bike ride video or it was too boring or y'all didn't like it? Let me know. And also, y'all go follow me on Instagram on Big Block Clay. And hit me up if y'all in Houston or in the Houston surroundings, anywhere, it don't matter. And y'all want to go bike riding one day, let me know, hit me up. I'll let y'all know we get together and we go out there. But yeah, let me know.
Hey, baby.
We just finished up the bike. We got more stuff to add on to it, but as of right now, it looks like it's looking pretty good so far. Y'all go ahead and check it out. Something simple and nice for now. I like how it's coming out. Like I said, we got more stuff to add on to it. Like I said, we still got the brakes to add on to it. Some pegs maybe. We still missing the paddings to go there. And little stuff like that, but that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Like I said, it was just a quick little short clip. I told you I was gonna build a bike. I'm gonna build a bike. Next time I make a video, hopefully it'll be all put up together. I'll show y'all that. And stay tuned. Next video, I'm gonna talk to y'all about what I got planned for the old school car that I have at my house. I might do some work on the truck as well. So y'all stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe, comment, share with your family and friends. And I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.